Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install 7-Zip on Windows. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official 7zip.org website. On the download page, you'll see different versions of 7-Zip. Choose the correct one for your system, 64-bit or 32-bit Windows. Most modern PCs use 64-bit, so click the download link next to it. Once the setup file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. A setup window will appear. Click Install to start the installation process. Wait a few moments until the installation completes, then click Close. Now, 7-Zip is installed on your computer. You can access it by right-clicking on any file or folder, and you'll see the 7-Zip option in the context menu. From there, you can compress files into archives or extract them easily. And that's it. You've successfully installed 7-Zip on Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.